as was said by D.K. Shivkumar ji and Siddaramaiah ji, this is a test for the integrity and honesty of the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. He used to say, "Na khaunga, na khane dunga." Now it is very clear that Siddaramaiah ji's son Vijender is appointed as Vice President of... Sorry, I apologize. Yadurappa ji's son Vijender is now appointed as the Vice President of the BJP. It is now very, very clear that he is also part of the BJP apparatus. The test of integrity is now for the Prime Minister. You said, why not go to ED? There is an old saying, "Jab saiya bhai kotwal, to dar kahe ka." When Prime Minister is protecting those who are indulging in the act of malfeasance, as Shiv Kumar ji said, as Siddaramaiah ji said, who will hold them accountable? He quoted the Prime Minister. Prime Minister used to come and attack the Congress government led by him. Now, what is the accountability of the Prime Minister himself? So, we believe we will raise the issue in the Assembly as also in People's Court.
So, Power TV has been running this for the last 15 days. And it has come, you are raising the issue right now. Secondly, I want to ask you this question. What are the source of these documents that you're talking about? What is the authenticity of the documents, the bank statements that you're talking about, and the audio tape? It has to be thoroughly investigated and proved by the FSL. Now you are claiming that you have got all these documents, but what is the authenticity of these documents?
You raise an extremely valid question, and that is why I draw your attention to the statement of Mr. D.K. Shivkumar. These are documents placed in public domain. We commend each and every individual and group which has done investigation to bring corruption in public domain. But as we have said clearly, unequivocally and clearly, this requires a thorough, complete and independent investigation. It cannot be done by Prime Minister Modi. It cannot be done by Mr. by Mr. Yadurappa, who is himself an accused, as Siddaramaiah ji has said. So who will investigate? It can only be investigated by a sitting judge of the Supreme Court or by the Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court, aided and abetted by a SIT, a Special Investigation Team. They will take voice sample of Mr. Vijendra. They will confiscate the WhatsApp conversations. They will confiscate the trail of the amounts from Kolkata shell companies to the companies here. They will seize the company records. They will also seize the bank records. Then they will come to a conclusion, yes, this is a clear-cut case of corruption. But as on today, as the former Chief Minister and Leader of Opposition said, and as the PCC President said, this is a more than a prima facie case of corruption. And for investigating this case, the current and the sitting Chief Minister, Mr. Modi's favorite, Mr. Yadurappa, has to resign or be sacked.